भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
ओम जय गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
परम निरंजन गजानना
परम निरंजन गजानना
परम निरंजन गजानना
परम निरंजन गजानना
पाद नमस्ते गजानना
पाद नमस्ते गजानना
तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना
तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गजमुख वरदा गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
गणपति ओम जय गणपति
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना नमस्ते गजानना
तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना
तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना गणपति ओम जय गणपति ओम।
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
गुरु बाबा
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
प्रशांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
जय गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
बाबा गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
जय गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
अनुपम सुंदर नंद किशोरा अनुपम सुंदर नंद किशोरा वृंदावन वृंदावन मुरली माधव राधे गोविंदा मुरली माधव राधे गोविंदा मधुसूदन सत्य साई सुंदर सत्य साई सुंदर श्याम। नटवर सुंदर श्याम सत्य साई सुंदर श्याम। अनुपम सुंदर नंद किशोरा वृंदावन घनश्याम। मुरली माधव राधे गोविंदा मधुसूदन घनश्याम सत्य साई सुंदर श्याम। वृंद विहारी मंदर गिरिधारी कमल नयन भक्तों के प्रभु परमेश्वर साई। नटवर सुंदर श्याम सत्य साई सुंदर श्याम। नटवर सुंदर श्याम सत्य साई सुंदर श्याम। अनुपम सुंदर नंद किशोरा
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ साई मन मंदिर में। 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 अखंड ज्योति जलाओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ। कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा। कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा। साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा। साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा। अखंड ज्योति जलाओ अखंड ज्योति जलाओ ज्योति जलाओ,
दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ,
दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ,
दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, साई मन मंदिर में,
ज्योति जलाओ, साई मन मंदिर में,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
ज्योति जलाओ,
कोटि सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा,
सूर्य सम तेज स्वरूपा,
साई तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा,
तुम हो दिव्य स्वरूपा,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ,
दिव्य ज्योति ज्ञान ज्योति प्रेम ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ,
अखंड ज्योति जलाओ, साई मन मंदिर में, अखंड ज्योति जलाओ। मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी,
पर्तिपुराधीश्वरी
परतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
परतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी।
गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो, राम नाम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो, अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक, अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक, ज़ोराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो, ज़ोराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो, गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो, ये नाम सारे हैं जीवन सहारे, ये नाम सारे हैं जीवन सहारे, परमानंद के ये खोलते हैं द्वारे, परमानंद के ये खोलते हैं द्वारे, जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो, जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो, गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो, राम नाम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो, अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक, ज़ोराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो, ये नाम सारे हैं जीवन सहारे, परमानंद के ये खोलते हैं द्वारे, जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो, गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो, राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
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 बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
युग अवतार तुम हो विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
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 सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
युग अवतार तुम हो विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
युग अवतार तुम हो विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो। शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
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 साई राम साई राम एक नाम सुंदर नाम।
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 शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई राम।
ईश्वर साई राम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई राम।
ईश्वर साई राम।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
दया करो कृपा करो रक्षा करो 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 हे भगवान।
शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
साई राम साई राम एक नाम सुंदर नाम।
साई राम एक नाम सुंदर नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई राम।
ईश्वर साई राम।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
परतिपुरी के हे भगवान।
दया करो कृपा करो रक्षा करो 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 हे भगवान।
शिरडी साई द्वारकमाई प्रशांति वासी साई राम।
चित चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीर चोर गोपाल। चित चोराए सौदा के बाद नवनीत चोर गोपाल। गोपाल 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 गोवर्धन धर गोपाल। वर्धन धन गोपाल। Gopal. चोरा यशोदा के पास नवनीत चोर गोपाल। चित्त चोरा यशोदा के पास नवनीत
So even his physical presence being absent doesn't mean anything. So quickly he can come to your response to you. I will give you one other incident. I am very far away physically in United States of America. Not so fortunate as all of you who can quickly run to Prashanti Nilayam whenever you want, even when his form was there. It was Swami's 75th birthday. The whole world was celebrating 75th birthday. But I could not come to the celebrations in Puttaparthi because I was the Balavikas coordinator of our center. And we had about 150 children with about 16 Balavikas gurus. And we had a very nice program there. And it was my duty to be there. Swami had asked me during the summer when I had seen him, "Are you coming for 75th? I said, "No, Swami, I am the Balavikas coordinator." "Celebrate grandly. I will be there for your celebration," he told me. So we were even more enthusiastic that Swami will be here in some form. We should all celebrate in Washington DC. So I was very busy and we were doing lot of rehearsals. The day before Swami's birthday, on the 22nd of November, for us in the US it's a very big celebratory weekend where Swami's birthday comes because it's called the Thanksgiving weekend in America. The Thanksgiving weekend is celebrated by the whole country to give thanks for all the wonderful things we have in our life. That is a national holiday actually. So Thanksgiving and Swami's birthday comes on the same weekend. So wherever we went to do anything, it was very crowded, just like now yesterday for your celebrations, Bombay was crowded. So what I did was, after finishing the rehearsals on the day before, on the 22nd, I went to the grocery store because I wanted to buy flowers and fruits for my own puja in the morning, next day, for Swami's birthday. I finished shopping and it was about 5:30 in the evening. And there in the US in the winter, it gets dark around 4 o'clock because it's cold and it's wintry and it was quite cold. I finished doing my shopping and I went to the ATM drive-through machine to draw some money. Next day in the morning I had my puja and in the evening I had our center celebration. As I drove into the ATM machine, I withdrew some money and I had my door open because I'm short, I couldn't reach the buttons. So I withdrew some money with my door open with one leg out, and then I was just putting the money into my purse when the back door of my car opened and some man got in, a white brown-haired man got into the car. And he just grabbed my hair and pulled my head back and put a very big steak knife to my throat and said, "Drive, drive." I had a neck, my head pulled back. "Drive, drive, drive," he said. Without any knowledge, my hand, there is a small sticker of Swami in my car. My thumb went on Swami's picture, that's all. But my head was back. And he kept saying, "Drive." But I couldn't drive because one leg was outside, the door was open. So I said, "I have to close the door." So he loosened my hair and I closed the door and I could see in my rear view mirror that had his hat pulled down. He said, "Drive." So I said, "Look, if it's my money that you want," because I just withdrawn money. I said, "If it's the money that you want, I'll give it to you." By which, he just kept saying, "Drive." By which time, suddenly, 3 police cars, we could hear the sirens going. They just came and blocked my exit, So if I'm parked, my car is parked here, 2 cars just blocked my exit. 6 or 7 police officers got out and they started to walk. And somewhere in the vicinity of that table over there, they all stopped because they could see that this fellow had a knife and they didn't want to agitate him. So they just stopped and I could look in the mirror, and of course nobody expects such a thing to happen in their own lives, right? So I had not practiced any speeches. So I told in the mirror to him, I don't know how Swami gave me the calm. Only my hand was on Swami's picture. I didn't call out Sai Ram, nothing. I said, look, if it's the money you want, you can take it. But you can see that I cannot drive. He was asking me to, you got the police cars have blocked. So I cannot drive. So why don't you just get on from the car and give yourself up? Because there's no way that I can drive out of here. And we could hear more police sirens coming. There was a car behind me waiting to use the ATM, and he had seen this guy get into my car, and he had called 911 actually. That's how the police cars, they came within 2.5 minutes, they came. And I said, why don't you get down and go? Because even if you do something to me, you won't be able to escape, because all these police officers are surrounding. Why don't you give yourself up? I'm talking to him as though I know him for 20 years. I don't know how I did that. So then there was a dead silence, and suddenly the man said, to me it felt like 15 minutes, but it was only a minute or so. He said, how come you're not scared? So I said, what is the use of being scared? You are going to do whatever you are going to do. My children were in first year of college. My children are high school, I think. My children are grown up. So if it's my time to go, it's time to go. But you will not escape. Look, they'll all get you. Why don't you give yourself up? Again I said to him very calmly. Again there was a silence. Suddenly he said, okay. And he opened the door, let my hair go, took out the knife, and started to walk to the front of the car. He had barely walked to the headlights of my car. 6 officers just grabbed him, and they are all well-trained officers. Within a split second, they had him in leg chains and hand chains and leg pulled back, completely chained. 2 of them just picked him up by the chains and threw him into the police car. And I was feeling very bad, because I had convinced this man I didn't know they were going to do all this. I never seen anything like this in my life before. I was feeling very bad. I convinced this fellow to get out. Why they're treating him like this, like an animal almost, putting. And then the police officers came running to me and said, ma'am, are you okay? Are you okay? And I got out of the car. And there was a big crowd around the car, because they had seen the whole incident. But people don't crowd there, because they allow the police officers to do their work. So they were all around. And I came out, and this big, tall African-American police officer just picked me up like a child and showed me to, she's okay, everybody go home and enjoy your Thanksgiving. Go. He picked me up like a child, Then he drove my car to the parking lot of the bank. And he said, can you give a report? What did you say to him? Are you okay? Is your neck okay? They wanted to make sure I was okay. And I was quite calm, and he said, what did you say to him? And I told him my conversation. And he said, you're very, very fortunate that you talked to him so calmly, because he was already escaping from a penitentiary. And that's why he was running. He was not interested in the money. He was interested in escaping. And the police were already following him somewhere, and they had missed him. So he said, they were not interested in the money. What did you say to him? It's a good thing you were calm, because if you had been agitated, he would have hurt you. And I told them, and he said, very good, we want to tell you something. We are very glad that it was you that he attacked. Because if some other woman started to scream, he would have done something. It's good. So we talked, and he said, do you want to come to the police? But I kept asking him, why did you people throw him in the car? Doesn't he get a lawyer? He needs a lawyer. So they said, ma'am, worry about your lawyer. Why you are worried about that criminal's lawyer? I said, no, but I don't like the way you people put chains. They said, we can't take a risk. There are so many people in the crowd. He might grab another person as a hostage. So we have to do that. You don't worry about his lawyer. Then they said, you come to the police station and give a report. So I said, is that guy going to the jail now? Because I don't want him to hurt anybody. Yes, he has got a long list of things. He's going not to worry. I said, then I don't want to add to his problems. If he's already in jail, what is there for me to come? So I am not going to come. I don't want to make an official report. You write down whatever you all want. So the police officer drove me home. And I came home. By this time, it is 8 o'clock in the night. Tomorrow morning is Swami's birthday. All this is going on. Now, what had happened during this whole incident in the car, this fellow had a knife and I had my head pulled back, and he's saying drive, and I'm telling him something, why don't you get out? But the mind, like Swami said, is a mad monkey. It doesn't think of one thing, it thinks of 10 things. So while I was talking to that fellow, in my head I was thinking, if in this moment I don't believe that Swami is with me, what a waste of Swami's time and what a waste of my time. I spent 45 years at his lotus feet. enjoying so much grace. And in this moment, if I don't believe Swami is with me, then what kind of a devotee am I? I cannot call myself a devotee. I have to believe that. This is what I'm thinking. Second thing I'm thinking, Swami always says, this body is like an old shirt. When it is ready, time to give up, you should give it up without any hesitation. So if this is my time, I should give up this body without any hesitation. It's like an old shirt. Why worry about it? My children are not small babies. I was thinking like this, but I was talking to that fellow. Anyway, I came home. My husband was really nervous about the whole thing. All this had happened. I told him what had happened. Then I told only my husband, it's such a crazy thing, this mind. I'm talking to that fellow, but I'm thinking like this. My husband said, you are totally crazy. Anyway, this was the conversation. After Swami's birthday was over, my parents were in Puttaparthi. I knew they'll come back to Bangalore on 27th, so I called them. I didn't want to scare them or anything. I wanted to tell Swami, thank you Swami for saving me. So I picked up the phone and I called my mother, 27th of November, she had come back. And as soon as I called, she said, are you okay? Are you okay? I said, yes, why? She said, on Swami's birthday, when he's going in the procession with the Veda chanting and bhajan singing and band and all that, I'm sitting in the line. Swami comes in the darshan line and comes to me and stops the procession and says, how is Geeta? So my mother said, Swami, I came on Ladies' Day, Swami. I think she's all right. She's okay. Swami said, oh, you think she's okay? I came on 17th itself, Swami. So Swami said, now she's okay, he said, and walked away. This, you must remember, is on 23rd morning. In USA, it is 22nd night. 22nd night in USA and 23rd morning birthday celebration in India. So my mother didn't know. So as soon as she came and I called, she said, are you okay? Because Swami said, is Geeta okay? And then he said, you are okay now. So then I told her the whole incident and I said, this happened. So my mother was crying on the phone, getting scared 4 days after the event. Like any mother. I said, I'm okay, I'm talking to you. What are you crying about? So I said, please convey my loving pranams to Swami. So my father said he's coming on December 5th to Bangalore to look at the super specialty hospital construction because the inauguration is going to happen. So I will convey your thanks to Swami. So Swami arrived on December 5th to Bangalore. He went and looked at the hospital and came to Trai Brindavan. My father was always looking, my father was also Swami's attendant. My father was a dental surgeon but spent all his life at Swami's feet. He used to look after Swami in Brindavan. So Swami called all the college boys for one of the evening sessions. He had just arrived. My father didn't have chance yet to tell him. Everybody was sitting. He was talking to the college boys. Suddenly he turned to my father. Unlike me, my father was a man of very, very few words. He was a very quiet man. Swami turned to my father and said, Padmanabh, tell all the boys what happened to Geeta. My father has not even told him yet. Tell all the boys what happened. I told you my father was a man of few words. He stood up and he said, my daughter was attacked on the 22nd in USA by some fellow. With Swami's grace, Swami took care of her and she's okay now. And he sat down. See how long I have taken 8 minutes to tell you this story. My father said it in one line. So Swami started to laugh. He said, what? You have taken less time than what the incident happened. What kind of narration is that? Then Swami started to tell the boys that in America, you can drive up and draw the machine. From a machine, you can draw money. If you press the buttons, remember it's his 75th birthday now. Even in India, ATM machines are there. At that time, there were no ATM machines. So if you press the button, money will come out. And all the boys are looking with the eyes wide open. He said, don't think money will simply come out. If you have money in the account, it will come out. Otherwise, nothing will come out. So she took the money and Swami described the whole incident to the boys and said, see, out of sheer practice, he even told that, I had not told my mother this, out of sheer practice her hand went on Swami's picture on the, she didn't call Sai Ram, but every morning when she gets into the car, she touches Swami's picture and she says, Swami, let's go for a ride. She tells me every time, Swami, let's go for, so her hand went to the picture out of habit. That is why you have to practice. So in times of need, your mind and brain will do what you even don't think. You don't even have to think, it becomes a habit. That's why you have to develop the habit of Namasmarana. So he told the boys that she put her hand, and then he said, you know, that Padmanabh's daughter, little bit crazy, he told the boy. He always says that to me, Pichi. He says, crazy. So, you know what she was doing? She's telling that fellow, why don't you get down? All that. But in her mind, she's thinking about something else. What is she thinking? She's thinking that after 40 years, if I don't believe Swami is with me, it is not only time waste for Swami, time waste for me also. Look at her, she thinks it's time waste coming to me. She's thinking like that. Then she's thinking, this body is like an old shirt. If it is time to give up, you should give up. Why she's saying body is like an old shirt? She's a lady, she wears saris. She says body is like she should wear old sari. Then you say, you see, in America, they wear pant and shirt, the ladies. That's why she's thinking like that. It's a beautiful sense of humor. Even in spirituality, Swami shows us humor. He was proving that he is the Sarvantaryami. He is everywhere, every moment, but with humor. The lesson of omnipresence, omnipotence, omniscience, all the three words which we have to look in the dictionary to find the spelling, all that consists of divine energy, he was able to narrate as though it was a simple story in a laughing manner. See, out of sheer habit, what to do? She's talking like this. So I had to make that fellow's buddhi change. To change the buddhi of a criminal. Only Bhagwan can do that. Only Bhagwan can do that. So he said application in three ways. One is faith and practice by putting. Second is calm and peacefully talking. Third is that fellow's buddhi had to be changed. All three happened in sequence, one after the other. That fellow got out. And then she's even more crazy. She wants lawyer for the criminal who attacked her. She's telling the police officer, get him a lawyer. See how she is? But that is prema. Prema, I said. So he narrated this whole thing. After 7 months I went, this happened in November, I went in the month of August to see Swami. My throat had completely become hoarse because he had put so much pressure on my vocal cord with the knife. I could not sing bhajans or anything. And Swami called for an interview, and such a beautiful, loving mother. As soon as we entered the interview room, he closed the door, he sat on the chair, he got up from the chair and came to me. I was still entering the room. He put his hand on my neck and said, Chala noppa. He said, is it paining a lot? 7 months have gone by, still can't sing bhajan? No, Swami, little difficult to speak. Don't worry, he gave me some chain. He said, wear the chain, you'll feel better. Poor thing, you were really, he pressed very hard on. And then he said, see, Padmanabh, then he teased my father. See, Padmanabh, in 2 lines he told the whole story. In 2 lines he told the whole story. So the point of this long narration that I was giving was that the minute we know, we have all read, now we have celebrated Janmashtami, we've all read the Bhagavatam. Krishna Janmashtami, we all read Krishna's Bhagavatam. We talk about Draupadi saying, oh Hrudayavasi, where are you? And that's when he came because he's in the heart. We all know the stories. We tell our Balavika's children. But we forget that this Sai Krishna is a Hrudayavasi in all our hearts. We have to address that. I didn't address him, but he came. I didn't call out his name. But when he wants to respond, he certainly will. So having shown his omnipresence, wherever we are, whether it is in America, whether you are in Maharashtra, whether you are in Karnataka, it doesn't matter. We just have to love him and try to practice a little bit of what he says.
Rudra Vishnu tu Rama Krishna tu सही बताओ तुम। वासुदेव को विश्वरूप तू, चिदानंद हरि तू, अद्वितीय तू, अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे, स्वामी सत्य साई हरे, भक्त जना संरक्षक, भक्त जना संरक्षक, पति महेश्वरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, शिव जना श्रीकरा, सर्वा प्राणपते, स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते, आश्रित कल्पन टीका, आश्रित कल्पन टीका, आपदान। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, पिता गुरुदैवं मरियन्तरु नीवे, स्वामी मरियन्तरु नीवे, नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा, नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा, जय। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, शिव साई महादेवा, सत्य साई महादेवा, मंगलारती मंगल गिरिधारी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम, सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम। जय सद्गुरुदेवा, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम, सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम। जय सद्गुरुदेवा, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम, सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम। जय सद्गुरुदेवा। शांति शांति शांति, समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
असतो मा सतमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सतमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सतमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु। शांति शांति शांति।